What's up, guys? It's your favorite reseller, Morgan, back again with another video. Today, we are going to talk about how to zero out your inventory if you're going to be taking long vacations, and then also how to schedule vacation days on the Walmart Marketplace platform. Specifically, we're going to be talking about this because I've been receiving this question quite a bit recently, and it just makes sense with summer vacation coming up. So first, you are going to go to the left-hand side of your screen under Analytics. There will be a sub-tab named Reports. When you click that, this page will pop up. Now, you'll see here your item report, your buy box report, and your inventory report run every single day. Your inventory report runs twice a day. Your buy box report runs a couple hours a day. I think it's like every 3 or 4 hours a day. And so does your item report as well. So what we need is the inventory report. I'm going to pull this one just because it's already downloaded. This was at 4:38, so about 4 hours ago. If you needed one that was more recent, you would come up to on request reports and you would find the inventory report and request the report. As you could see here, it takes about 22-ish minutes to run. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download this report. Then we're going to come over to our catalog tab, show Walmart templates, and we're going to click inventory update. Okay, so first I'm going to open the inventory report because it's a zip file. So just so we have it already ready to go. And then I'm going to go back and I'm just going to open the inventory update file just so we have it open again. Okay, so let's switch back. So first things first, you see that you have your SKU, item ID, product name, all of this information. You are going to want to save this as is. So I'm going to just quickly save this. The reason why you want to save this is because this is going to be all of your inventory numbers that you will need to put back in when you get back from vacation. We're going to come back into the inventory report and we're going to copy all of the SKUs. And then we're going to come into the inventory update file and paste. So these are all of our SKUs. The new inventory count is going to be 0. And I'm just going to double click and drop that down. And then the fulfillment center ID is going to be your seller ID if you do not have other warehouses. Now, if you do have other warehouses, your information will pop up here and you can choose the different ones. I just have my one, so it's going to be my seller ID. Then you will go ahead and double click that down so that it's filled out for everything. Now you're going to save this file. You're going to go back to your Walmart Seller Center. Now where it says template, you're going to click inventory update. And where it says browse, you're going to go ahead and submit that into there. Now, if the file works, it'll say this will be updated within 4 hours and you can double check it over in the activity feed. If the file does not work, it'll give you a file to download and tell you what to fix. I personally am not going to do this right now because I don't want to have to go back and add all my inventory numbers back in. But now what you'll do when you come back from vacation, you are going to have a new sheet. So we'll go back again, update items, update with file, show Walmart templates, inventory update. Ours will be file number 3, which we're going to open. So now it's the same thing, just blank. Then you're going to open that other file that I told you to keep open because you need those inventory numbers. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the SKUs back in. And then now we're going to go back to the spreadsheet and copy and paste the numbers. So that would be under available to sell quantity. And then again, you're going to go ahead and choose your fulfillment center and drop down. Oops. What is happening? There we go. Okay, so then you're going to save, and you would then go through the same steps that we just went through to enter for zero. So under template, inventory update, add the file. Now all of your inventory will go from zero to whatever it was before you zeroed it out. Now, if you just wanted to take a day off, you're going to go to the little settings gear in the top right corner. Then you are going to come down to seller fulfillment. You're going to click on your fulfillment center, click edit, and scroll down until you see additional days off. From there, you can then choose what days you want to take off. So if you want to take multiple, you would do this, and then you would just update your fulfillment center. I don't need those days, so I'm going to delete them. Now remember, the additional days off, you only get 15 excluding your national holidays. Keep in mind that this is on a rolling calendar basis, and I believe it's a full year. So you have to wait until, for example, I'll have to wait till September 16th, 2025 to get this day back. So currently, as it stands, I should have 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Did I do the math right? 10, 9, 8. Yeah, I should have 8 days left. Okay. So then you would come through and click Update Fulfillment Center, and that's what you would do. Keep in mind, though, when you take additional days off, this is not like Amazon. You will still get sales. It will just push the ship date off until you get back. So if I were to, Monday is a holiday, so it's a little bit different, but if I were to take Monday off, then what would happen is all of my orders that are coming in this weekend, instead of shipping on Monday, they would ship on Tuesday. If I were to take Monday through Wednesday off, then all of my orders that are coming in from now until Wednesday, they would then be requiring me to ship Thursday. Now that's if you don't have lag time, that gets into a whole nother thing, but you get the point. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any other questions or things that you want to see in the comments. And as always, you can reach out in the comments or DM me on Instagram. Thanks. Bye.